Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. I'm your host P Fire, aka Pick Up a Penguin, and this is another episode of Stuff. And on today's episode of Stuff, I'm going to be breaking down a soul. I'm breaking down souls. Not like the devil or anything like that, but yeah, I'll just show you. It might be a bit easier. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that slightly strange video right there. You already know what it is. This been Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. This been another episode of Stuff. I've been your host P Fire, and yeah, you already know what it is. Stay cool, gang. Be dope, and as always, be cool, Eddie. Peace.